Today we're going to be making a xylophone bar that will hit a certain frequency using SOLIDWORKS. As you can see, we already have the geometry ready to go. We're going to go ahead and create a new simulation. So we're going to go to Simulation tab, New Study, and we're going to select the frequency study. After clicking Done, we're going to set up the fixtures. So first it's a hinge fixture, and the second one is simply creating the mesh, and so 3mm elements is more than enough. Next, we're going to run this study and wait for it to generate 4 frequencies. Now we're going to have 4 different modes here. We're going to select the one that works for us, and the one that works for us in this application is mode shape number 2, which is displayed here. So this mode actually makes sense with the fixtures. Next, we're going to list the resonant frequencies as 824, and that's the one that we need. Next, we're going to do a design study. That way we're going to use the variables that we have set in the beginning when modeling. So we have a global variable a equals 20mm that we're going to select, and we're going to name it length. Next, we're going to add our goals, simply simulation data, frequency, and we want it to be at the mode shape number 2. We're going to set our goals to frequency goals close to 600 Hz, and that is the pitch that we want to get. The minimum range at which the dimensions will change, dimension A, is from 60 to 180 at the step of 10. Now we will run the simulation. It's going to go through several iterations. Here, SOLIDWORKS has finally found for us an optimal global variable design that meets our 600 Hz criterion.
We can save the design data of the optimal design that is found to an Excel CSV format.
When selecting the optimal design, we can quickly go back to the Model tab and check how the geometry has changed. From there, you can save your part, and the study has been successfully completed.